Yeah, so it's basically it. So when you have it assembled, the tab, you always put it nicely. You have such a groove here, and you start somewhere and feel a little bit around like this. And then work your way around, and yep. And it's also a good way to check if there are some holes in it or not. You can clean it also up. So yeah, like this is good. Like this, it's okay, and you can then close the door and start to. In this version, you have such a clip here, which is the first thing which holds. You can push it. There you go. And this is the first thing that holds. Then you put this back here. And you don't actually need to open this, but in my case I had to. So this is how you clean, by the way, if you have something stuck in there. And a good trick is to put a bit oil in here, your normal oil for cooking, and it will smear a bit the pump. That's a nice trick. And in this version you have screw here, there and here, like so. And then of course here you have 3 screws, and that's it. So you have 1, 2, 3 screws here, and 1, 2, 3 screws there. Obviously every washing machine is a bit different, but it will give you some idea how to do it. And the mechanism of washing machine is quite simple, and it's not like a car or something, you can fix it quite easily. It's accessible, and you can ask just the parts. Even when the programmer is broken, you can ask just for the programming part. When some part like engine is broken, you can just YouTube for it these days, and you can. Miele is actually quite better than any another brand. So it doesn't look modern, it's so strong, it's like a Rolls-Royce, you cannot break it, so it's really good. And also the tap itself is very solid, and it doesn't destroy the material so easy like the cheaper versions. For example, I don't know, Hyundai or something like that, something Korean. If Germans excel in something, it's in engineering, and this is really extremely strong washing machine. It's recommended to buy a second-hand Miele. It's better than a new Whirlpool or something like that. Yeah. this part goes there. It's a little bit tricky. Make sure that this hole fits there, and then you are okay. And you actually have covers for this, but I lost it, so I don't have it. Then another side. Alright. We close this and that. And then we can close the top. The top. And here too, make sure that the holes fit nicely. That, and on the other side the same. There you go. And you have covers for this too, but I lost them. So, and then in the end you put this in. Make sure you know, it glides nicely there in. And you're done. You can test it. It's on, and you can see if the program works. Well, it goes all over. And pump does work. Have a little spin. Yep, it's working. There you go. Ta-da!